Every biscuit begins long before the factory floor.
Quality starts with what the land provides. Precision begins at the moment of harvest.
Nothing here is wasted.
Each kernel is separated, counted, and kept.
Harvest becomes volume. Human judgment guides the machine. From field to transport without delay. The journey continues. Raw ingredients begin to move. Storage is the first checkpoint. Every transfer is controlled. Stored under watch. Movement without contamination.
Only approved grain moves forward.
Ready for processing.
The factory awaits.
This is where farming meets industry. Gravitarities is replaced by engineering. Flow is guided, never rushed. Distance is compressed by motion.
Human eyes remain essential.
Volume meets control. Alignment is everything.
Raw material changes hands.
Measured to the kilogram. Protected for transit. The road completes the link. Still inside the same system. Where food production truly begins. Precision before unloading. Isolation prevents contamination. Transfer resumes. The factory takes possession. Next comes preparation. Everything converges here. The boundary between outside and inside dissolves. Scale defines modern food production. People still drive the process? Clean entry is mandatory. Every step is regulated. Inside, systems take over.